Face a class lesson.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. ربي يسر ولا تعسر. ربي وتمم بالخير. اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا. اللهم آمين. So we are going to start our first session of this week. We have just finished level 1, and also we have seen last week about the feminine, how to make the verb in feminine. So first, we will just revise the previous summary of the level 1, and then we are going to start level 2 today. So in level 1, we have we discussed 6 chapters, and there were patterns. And in level 1 and 2, the one thing is that we have 3 letters verb. 1, 2, 3. 3 letters verb. And we have organized the verb in a way that we make 6 group, and they are called 6 chapters. The first group is, our first chapter is Bab Fataha. Fataha Yaftahu Zabar Zabar. And second is Bab Daraba. Daraba Yadribu Zabar Zair. And the third is Bab Nasara, Nasara Yansuru Zabar Pesh. So second letter have Zabar, and the second letter, when go to Mudare, it has the Pesh. So all we have the pattern Zabar Pesh. So all those verbs which we have, which will follow this pattern Zabar Pesh, will be fit in Bab Nasara. Then Bab Samia, Samia Yasma'u, Kasra Fatha. Bab Hasiba, Hasiba Yahsibu, Kasra Kasra or Zir Zir. And then Bab Karuma, Karuma Yakrumu, Pesh Pesh, or Damma Damma. So the 6 chapters. And then we have discussed about the feminine, that it's very easy that how you make the feminine. Just we have to learn that fa'ala will be fa'alat, fa'alu will be fa'alna, fa'alat plural will be fa'alna. And for the second person, there is instead of fa'alta, it will be fa'alti. Fa'alta means you did for masculine. Fa'alti, you did for feminine. And plural of fa'alti will be fa'altunna. This is only change here. This is fa'alat, fa'alna. Na is coming at the end. Fa'alti, fa'altunna. And last two will remain same. Fa'altu, fa'alna. Third person singular, this is tafa'alu. This tafa'alu, when come in normal in table, or in we use in Qur'an, and we'll see that it will have two meaning. One is for masculine, second person singular. Tafa'alu, if it is coming here, it means you do, or you will do, for masculine. And also for it is used, taf'alu means she does or she will do. So taf'alu, it start from taf'alu, and yaf'alna. So it start with ta, but again this is ya. And singular is taf'alina, taf'alna. So this is the only thing that we have to focus here. It start with taf'alu, yaf'alna. Taf'alina, taf'alna. Taf'alu, yaf'alna. Taf'alina, taf'alna. Remaining same. In Amr, we just have seen if'al. This is for masculine. For feminine, if it will be if'ali, ya at the end. And similarly, la taf'ali. If'ali plural will be if'alna. La taf'alna. If'alna, la taf'alna. Fa'ilun will be fa'ilatun. Fa'ilatun, fa'ilatin. Maf'ulun will be maf'ulatun. Maf'ulatun, maf'ulatin. These are the nouns, and we already discussed about masculine and feminine. Ta marbuta comes at the end, and in plural, simple ta. And masdar will remain same. This was all about the level 1 and the feminine. Inshallah, we'll just see the feminine again after finishing level 2. So today we are going to start level 2. Again, in level 2, one thing is that all the verbs will have 3 letters. characters. There also we have 3 letters word, but different pattern than level 1. In level 1, the pattern was about zabar, 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 zair, zabar, pesh. Here we will have different groups. The first chapter is level 2. The first chapter is Bab Ajwaf. Bab means the chapter. Bab Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central. First, this is the Arabic terminologies are used here. So just we have to look at that. Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central. So level 2, we are going to start with first chapter, and the first chapter name is Bab Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central. So there must be some impact of this meaning of this word or this name of this chapter on the here when we use. So in this chapter we will discuss 3 cases. Case number 1. Before going to the discuss the pattern, let's see the Bab Ajwaf. Ajwaf will be let me just show you the here. This is Hafa. Here one letter in the middle, in the center, there is Alif. Again, if we go to the case number 2, again, Sara. Again, Alif in the middle. And the third case, you will see here, this is Alif. So, Ajwaf means central. So here, why we say it as central? Because all the words will have the central letter in Madi, that will be Alif. But in Mudare, that Alif will change. Either change or no change. The first case is Khafa ya Khafu. Here the central letter Alif, when you see this Alif, Alif remains there as Alif. First case. Second case, when we discuss here, if you see here, Sara Yasiru. What is the difference? The first one was Khafa ya Khafu. Alif remains Alif. Here, Sara Yasiru. What happened? Alif changes into Ya. The third case you will see here, the most common verb here, Qala Yaqulu. What happened? Same. The central letter is Alif, but when it goes to Mudare, Alif changes to Waw. So we will discuss 3 cases. So we are going to start today from the first case, Bab Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central. We have to say again and again. Ajwaf means central. Case 1. Hafa ya khafu. The central letter, all the verbs have the central letter Alif. That's why we say it as Bab Ajwaf. In case 1, Hafa ya khafu. Alif remains Alif. There is the central letter. That's why its name is Ajwaf. Khafa ya khafu. Alif remains Alif, and Khafa means he feared. Level 2, chapter 1, Bab Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central. All the verbs used in this chapter will have the same central letter, and that is called Alif. And the first case is Khafa ya Khafu. Alif remains Alif. So these 3 actually in Arabic, 3 letters, Alif, Waw, and Ya. They are called weak letters. Aruf illa. Weak letters means they sometimes they could not retain there. We change them. Alif change into al, Ya. Alif can be changed into Waw, and sometimes you will see in some cases Alif will there will be no Alif there. So here the first case is Bab Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central. Khafa ya khafu. Alif remains Alif. Khafa means he feared. Khafa, khafu, and we have here khifta. If you see here, khifta, khiftum, khiftu, khifna. Here, yakhafu, yakhafuna, takhafu, takhafuna, akhafu, nakhafu. Khaf. If you look at this, yakhafu, so it is khaf, la takhaf. Khafu, la takhafu. Khaifun, khaifuna, khaifina. Makhufun, makhufuna, makhufina. Khawfun, khawf. Khafa, he feared. So let's do the practice. I would start with Shifa.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Okay, level 2, Bab Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central. Case 1. Khafa yakhafu. Alif remains alif. Khafa means he feared.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Complete it.
With translation?
First do without translation.
Okay. Khafa, khafu. Khifta, khiftum. Khiftu, khifna. Yakhafu, yakhafuna. Takhafu, takhafuna. Akhafu, nakhafu. Khaf, la takhaf. خافوا لا تخافوا خائف خائفون خائفين مخوف مخوفون مخوفين خوف
Khafa means?
خاف means he feared.
Yakhafu?
يخاف he fears or he will fear.
Khifta?
You feared.
Khifna?
We feared.
Akhafu?
I fear or I will fear.
Khaf?
Fear.
La takhafu?
You all do not fear.
Khafu?
They feared.
Can you please take this ayah?
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فلا تخافوهم وخافوني إن كنتم مؤمنين. So لا تخافوا, it's in فعل نهي plural. لا
Fail nahi
تخافوا
plural.
means
Yes. Fail nahi plural. La takhafu. Good. La takhafu means?
It means you all do not fear. Hum, them, wa, and khafu if it's in fi'l amr plural, and khafu means you all fear.
Okay. Khafu means you all fear. What is the singular for khafu?
Khaf.
Khaf means?
Fear.
So here we have two words. La takhafu. It is coming from here. Failun nahi plural. La. Okay. Khaf. Next.
Ni, me. In, if. Kuntum, you all were. Mu'mineen, believers.
Mu'mineen, believers. Okay.
Okay. So you all do not fear them
From them.
and you all fear me if you all were believers.
Okay. Now follow the pointer and just translation. No Arabic.
So you all do not fear them and you all fear me if you all were believers.
Okay, now combine the translation, please, to make a sense.
Okay. So you all do not fear from them, and you all fear me if you all were believers.
Or if you all are believer. So important thing is here that we want to fit here la. Thank you, Shifa. MashaAllah. Thank you. La takhafu. So this is la takhafu is coming from here. So it is chapter is Bab Ajwaf level. So Bab Ajwaf chapter 1 khafa ya khafu. Alif remains alif. So la takhafu, and then we have khafu. Khafu mean you all fear. So next, let me ask someone from here to revise this. Daniel.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. I do khafa, right?
Okay, first say it, Bob.
Okay, Bob Ajwaf, level 2. Khafa yakhafu.
Okay.
Okay, khafa means he feared.
What
Khafa.
is the case? What is the pattern?
Oh, khafa yakhafu. Alif alif.
What is the meaning of ajwaf?
Ajwaf means central.
Central. What is central here?
The alif.
Alif. So what happened in the first case?
In the khafa, the central in the alif in khafa does not change in the alif in yakhafu.
So alif remains alif. Khafa
Yes.
yakhafu. Alif remains alif. Go ahead.
Okay. Khafa, he feared. Khafu, they feared. Khifta, you feared. Khiftum, you all feared. Khiftu, I feared. Khifna, we feared. Yakhafu, he fears or he will fear. Yakhafuna, they fear or they will fear. Takhafu, you fear or you will fear. Takhafuna, you all fear or you all will fear. Akhafu, I fear or I will fear. Nakhafu, we fear or we will fear. Khaf, you fear. La takhaf, you do not fear. Khafu, you all fear. La takhafu, you all don't fear. Khaifun, the one who fears. Khaifuna, khaifina, those who fear. Makhufun, the one who is being feared. Makhufuna, makhufina, those who are being feared. Khawfun, to fear.
To fear. Thank you very much. MashaAllah. So let us take one more participant to do the practice here. So let me go to Ayan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Ayan, go ahead.
Level 2, level 2, pattern 1. Bab Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central. Khafa yakhafu. Alif remains alif. Khafa means he feared.
Okay, when you said ajwaf means central, what is central here?
Central is alif.
Alif. So first case is khafa.
Khafa yakhafu.
What happened? What is the
Alif
pattern?
remains alif.
So alif remains alif is the pattern. Yeah, go ahead. And can you please fit here? Nala. Nama. Nama means he slept.
Okay. Nama, namu, nimta, nimtu, nimna. Yanamu, yanamuna, tanamu, tanamuna, anamu, nanamu. Nam, la tanam. Namu, la tanamu. Naimun, naimuna, naimina.
Manumun.
Manumun. Manumun. Manumuna, manumina. Maunun. Naumun.
Naum. So naum means, nama means?
Nama means he slept.
And if it is I slept, what is the Arabic for that?
I slept would be nimna.
I slept.
Oh, I slept. That would be. I slept. I slept would be past tense.
Start from here and reach at I slept with translation.
Nama. I slept. Nama
With
he slept.
translation.
Namu they slept. Nama he slept. Namu they slept. Nimta you slept. Nimtum you all slept. Nimtu I slept. Nimna, we slept.
Okay.
Nimna,
I slept is
we slept. Nimtu, sorry. Nimtu.
I think you are really sleeping. Okay. I sleep or I will sleep.
Ana, anamu.
Anamu. Anamu means
I sleep or I will
okay.
sleep.
He sleeps or he will sleep. Yanam. Don't sleep.
Yanamu. I know.
What is the Arabic? Don't
La
sleep.
tanam. Wait. No. La
La
tanam.
Latam. So la tanam ya yan. Okay.
Hmm.
So the one who sleeps,
Naimun.
naimun. What is the plural of naimun?
Naimuna, naimina.
Okay. What about this naum here? La
Oh,
ta'khuzuhu
no.
sinatun wa la naum.
Noam is masdar.
What is the meaning?
Noam means to sleep.
To sleep. Yes. Thank you, Ayan. Thank you. Ashar bhai, can you please take this ayah? La ta'khuzuhu.
السلام عليكم. أعوذ بالله. لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم.
Yes.
Not تأخذ. She take.
Overtakes. Yeah.
Who him. Sinatun.
Slumber.
Yes. Wa and la not. Noun sleep.
Sleep. So naum is what?
Noun is masdar.
Chapter.
Chapter Bab Ajwa, level 2.
Which case?
Hafa, it is case of Hafa Yahafu, like Nama Yanamu.
Alif remains.
Alif remains Alif.
Alif. Or so naum is okay. Can you please combine the translation?
Okay, so slum does not take him and nor sleep.
Nor sleep. Yeah. So neither slumber or not sleep will overtake him. Yeah. La ta'khudhu sinatun wala. Okay, so we have to go for breakout room to practice on this. We'll take other words and just practice on, and we have to look at the meaning especially.